What is communication? Communication is the way people share their thoughts, ideas, and feelings with each other. It is not only humans who communicate with each other, animals also communicate with each other through sounds and actions. There are three basic forms of communication: verbal, nonverbal, and written. Verbal communication uses spoken words to communicate a message. Written communication takes place when a message is exchanged between two or more persons using unwritten words. Nonverbal ways make our verbal speech more effective. It includes body language. For examples, facial expression, postures, appearance, and eye contact. Every communication would involve misunderstanding, emotion, sensitivities of other, and poor listening skills.